Welcome everybody to today's video. We're here at Icon Park, Orlando. We're going to check out some of the most viral places here. We're going to start off at the Winery and Tasting Room. Now, I found this online, thought it was pretty cool, so we decided to check it out and kind of build a date night. So they do have different options for flights. They have a beer flight, which you're seeing here. All these delicious options, we tried a few. As well as the wine flights, starting from $17 all the way down to $24. And we tried one and it was a really good flight. And our server, who's behind the bar right there, did an amazing job explaining everything. If we had any questions, he had some great recommendations, and everything we tried was really good. They do also serve pizza and flatbread. We did not get it, but maybe next time. So here is the beer flight, and I'm not going to try to pronounce the names, but you can see them down below. And here are the flight options, and he circled the number 4 on the butter pecan because he wanted us to try that last. Overall, everything was delicious, and the service was great, so highly recommend this joint. So now we're just going to roam around, see what else we can find here at Icon Park. So one place we've seen 1,000 times on social media is Helena Modern Riviera. And right now, we're in early January and they still have their Christmas ski lodge theme out, so we're gonna check out that and see what food they offer and see how we like it. As you can see, the theming is so cool in this restaurant. Even the bar area looked really cool. Here's a look at the menu. Comment below, what are you getting? Have you been here before? What do you guys think of it? Will say the restaurant is much bigger than we thought it was, because we originally thought it was just like 2 small rooms, but it's those rooms and an additional big area, which is back here where the Christmas tree is at. And here's me taking a nice little walk to the front of the restaurant just to check it out again, get some footage. Looked really beautiful. Can't wait to see their Valentine's Day. for our entrees, we started off with these arancini balls, which were delicious, as well as these beef empanadas that were also really good. Everything was good. Highly recommend coming here. We will definitely be back for another meal. And they do have this nice outside patio where you could sit down, relax, and enjoy the atmosphere. So after dinner, we decided to roam around, check out what else they had going on at Icon Park. There you see Old Red. And now we're just gonna walk around, see what else we find. Have I done that? Yes. Will I do it again? Most likely not. In case you didn't know, they do have a Madame Tussauds wax museum. We've done this twice. I think it's overpriced, but it still is fun if you're here and you just want to check it out. They do have some cool wax figures like Vin Diesel here, which you can see for free. Inside the, I guess, complex area over here where you can get the tickets to the wheel, they do have a theater, a game room, market, sea life aquarium in the background over there, a gift shop, and of course Madame Tussauds. And now we're just roaming around. This is Sugar Factory they have over here, as well as Gordon Ramsay fish and chips, which I do want to try one of these days. And to my right is Tin Roof, which they do live music every night as well. So we just continue to walk around after dinner. You can see Carrabba's to the left. There's also an Outback and a ton of other different restaurants here. And they also had a couple shops where you can get these figurines and some pop vinyls. Then they have a bunch of these little stands that you can see to the left and a couple to the right where they're just selling different things. Or if you want, you can take a little train ride. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, bye!